So I guess I first approached you with my name is Emma and I'm a senior brand designer at CoinCover. CoinCover is the blockchain protection company. So we provide the best defense in blockchain, setting the standard for safety, integrity, and protection. Around June last year, I approached you because CoinCover wanted to move from one web hosting platform over to HubSpot. And so when I approached you, I obviously asked about, you provided me lots of information about the capabilities of HubSpot and how it could help us with what we were looking for. So at the time we were looking to move over, to redesign the website as part of a rebranding project into HubSpot. So one of the key requirements that we had was that we needed the front end of HubSpot to be as customizable to our needs as possible, and to keep it simple and easy to use. So that when, quick changes came through, then it would be easy for myself or members of my team to implement. So I believe we started off by me and you had a discovery call where we discussed everything. I asked you lots of questions about what was possible, what isn't possible. You gave lots of great feedback and also gave lots of really good advice on what my next steps. And then from there, I took that advice and that feedback. I went into Figma and started redesigning the website in the way that we needed it. I also provided lots of notes and feedback for the developers on what to include on the front end as well, so what functionality that we needed. I think you guys then did it super quickly, 10 days or something.
It was about 2 weeks.
Okay, yeah, so about 2 weeks to provide the first version of the new website. From there was a few rounds of feedback and changes, but they were primarily on the front end functionality that we needed. So for example, can we have the ability to change the color of this heading, or instead of changing the column width for these containers, for example. And then from there, I think the overall turnaround was about, probably for the whole website, maybe a month
3 to 4 weeks.
Say.
We did created the website in different batches.
Yeah, that's very true. So I guess that was the first iteration of the website, and then from there we've obviously had an ongoing relationship for over a year now, where we've done lots of iterations, lots of adding new pages and new functionality to it, and we've worked quite effectively. Well, we've worked very effectively together, and that's been super helpful in terms of getting things done really quickly. You guys are able to, I'm able to message you quite quickly and be like, hey, please can you help me out on this? And and you guys are able to deliver it super quickly and understand basically the needs that I'm after. So yeah.
So the reason why we were able to deliver this huge website in 3 to 4 weeks is because of the design. You are the as I have said this before, it's not every day I come to meet very talented designers like you. It's your design is well documented, which really helps the development part. So thank you for that.
That's super good. Oh, that's awesome. It's always nice to hear. So yeah, that's good, and I'm glad that it's helpful as well. I'm glad the notes.
As a developer team, we are always looking for designers who are super good with their documentation, and because that's what we also focus on. And it was first of a kind of this partnership.
Oh, great.